OpenAI just killed its own web browser. 9 months after all that hype, ChatGPT Atlas is getting unplugged. So what actually happened here? And should you even care? Let's break it down. Yesterday, July 9th, OpenAI said it's sunsetting Atlas, the AI browser it launched last October to fight Chrome. The target shutdown date is August 9th. That's a browser that lived barely one school year, then got expelled. Do the math. Born October 2025, gone August 2026. Roughly 9 months, then lights out. So why pull the plug? OpenAI's head of apps, Fidji Simo, told the team to cut the side quests. Translation: stop building shiny extras that aren't the main mission. And Atlas isn't the first to get cut. Their video generator, Sora, got the exact same treatment back in March. OpenAI is done chasing side projects. Here's their big realization. A browser is a feature, not a destination. Nobody wants a new app just to browse. So instead of making you switch, they're bringing the AI straight to where you already are. So they're splitting Atlas into 3. 1, a smarter ChatGPT app that browses, logs in, and grabs files inside the chat. 2, a Chrome extension that reads any page you're on, so you can summarize it or ask questions instantly. And 3, a cloud browser on OpenAI's own servers, quietly running tasks for you in the background. So Atlas isn't really dead, it got absorbed. Every trick it learned now lives inside ChatGPT and Google's Chrome. The lesson? The browser wars aren't won by shipping a browser. They're won by being the AI on top of everyone's. If you use Atlas, back it up before August 9th. Think they quit too soon? Subscribe. I'm the Tech Bard. Honest note, this video is AI made, with humans checking the facts. Spot something off? Tell us below so the next one's sharper.